everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we are going to learn to fix a Denuvo DRM which is showing no internet connection and no signal issue. So here's a guide to get your game working again. Fix 1. Use the built-in manual activation flow. When the server is not reachable, dialog appears. You need to click Next. It opens the support site in your browser where you can copy a response code and paste it back into the game's dialog to activate. This is the actual designed fallback for when the validation server check fails, not a workaround. It's built into Denuvo's activation flow specifically for this scenario. Fix to understand why it happens even with working internet. Denuvo's anti-tamper system requires a periodic online check to keep a locally stored offline token valid. This happens frequently. This means the error can appear even though your internet connection is fine because it's specifically Denuvo's validation server that's unreachable and to your ISP connection. The activations are limited to 5 per day and per game. So make sure that you are just connected 5 and it gets reset at 24 hours after the first one. Repeatedly closing and relaunching the game can itself trigger a temporary lockout. Make sure you don't do this. Fix 3. Turn off VPN or any proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy, this may also can cause issues connecting to the activation server. Disable it fully, not just for the game. Since some VPN clients keep a system level hook active even when off. Fix 4. Switch off custom DNS. A custom DNS service, depending on which one, may cause connection issues with the activation check. You need to try switching back to your ISP's default DNS or a major public one temporarily. Fix 5. Check your system log. So you need to the Denuvo's validation is time sensitive. An incorrect system date or time, which is common after BIOS resets or dual booting, can cause the activation check to fail even with a perfect connection. Confirm Windows is set to sync time automatically. For that, you can go to settings and then select time and language and select date and time and set it correctly. Fix 6. Update your game platform client first. Make sure your Steam or Epic or Ubisoft Connect or EA app itself is fully updated before launching. An outdated launcher can interfere with how the activation handshake passes through the Denuvo server. So by following those fixes, it should help you solve the problem. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button